Rate of change. Rate deals with time. Rate of change is a derivative with respect to time. What formula do we know that uses time? I'll give you a second. Think about it. Speed, yes, very good. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So as we know, speed is a scalar quantity. It's an absolute value. Velocity is a vector quantity. It's the change in displacement divided by the change in time. Therefore, the differential of speed will give velocity. Also, acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. It is the change in velocity over the change in time. So if we differentiate velocity, we will get acceleration. If y is equal to f of x, then dx dt is the rate of change of x with respect to t. So if we want to find dy dt is equal to dy dx multiplied by dx dt. Let's run. The length of the side of a square is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters per second. Find the rate of the area when the length of the side is 5 centimeters. Let S represent side. And as the question says, the increasing rate of the side is 4 centimeters per second. So the S dt is equal to 4. And we need to find the rate of increase of area. So the area of a square is side by side, which is side square. So we need to find dA dt, which is the rate of increase of area. So the A dt will be equal to the S dt multiplied by the A ds. So we know what the S dt is, which is 4 centimeters per second. So the A ds will be the differential of area, which is 2s, s squared, which differentiates with 2s, with respect to s. And now, so s is equal to 5. So when we substitute it, 2 by 5 is equal to 10. Right? So that's, so the ADT would be 4 multiplied by 10, which is 40 centimeter squared per second. Water is poured into a cylindrical container of radius 15 centimeter. The height of the cylinder increases at a rate of 2 centimeters per second. Given that the formula of the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared by height, determine the rate of increase of the volume of water in the container in terms of pi. Question says the radius is equal to 15 centimeter. dH dt is equal to 2. And they give us the volume, the formula for volume, which is pi r squared by height. So we need to find the rate of increase of volume, which is dV dt. dV dt is equal to dH dt multiplied by dV dH. So dV dH will be the differential of volume. Volume is pi r squared by height. So the differential with respect to h will be pi r squared. And they told us in the question that radius is 15, so we substitute pi 15 squared, which is equal to pi by 225, which is equal to 225 by pi. We put the coefficient in front, the number in front. So dv dt is equal to dh dt, which is 2, multiplied by dv dh, which is 225 pi, which will give you 450 pi centimeter cube per second.